The 2026 Volkswagen Polo R-Line exemplifies a refined and forward-thinking approach to the compact hatchback market, merging sporty aesthetics with practical functionality. The exterior design showcases the distinctive R-Line styling, characterized by unique front and rear bumpers, a gloss black radiator grille, and striking 16-inch Mallory alloy wheels. Enhancements like LED lighting elements and tinted rear windows add a modern, dynamic touch. This harmonious balance of sportiness and elegance makes the Polo R-Line a standout in its category, appealing to drivers seeking a vehicle that is both visually appealing and versatile. Inside the cabin, the Polo R-Line delivers an elevated driving experience marked by comfort and innovation. The sports seats, adorned with the R-Line insignia, along with a leather-trimmed steering wheel and aluminum pedals, create an atmosphere of understated luxury. Technological features, including a fully digital instrument cluster and an intuitive infotainment system with wireless App Connect, underscore Volkswagen's commitment to connectivity and ease of use. The replacement of traditional climate control knobs with touch-sensitive panels reflects a broader trend toward minimalism and modern design, ensuring the interior feels cutting-edge and user-friendly. Under the hood, the 2026 Polo R-Line features a 1.0-liter TSI engine, producing 85 kilowatts and 200 Newton-meters of torque when paired with the DSG automatic transmission. This setup offers a balance of spirited performance and impressive fuel efficiency, with urban consumption estimated at approximately 6.0 liters per 100 kilometers. The vehicle's advanced safety suite, including options such as adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and front assist with pedestrian monitoring, ensures a secure and confident driving experience. The Polo R-Line represents a compelling choice for those seeking a vehicle that combines style, technology, and practicality in a single, cohesive package.